Hello and welcome back to Chef Ramy Kitchen. Today I have one of the best Italian starters. Rice ball that is stuck with cheese, seafood, veg, so many variety. And so delicious. Creamy. Arancini buns. For that I take some olive oil, 4 cloves of garlic, good quality of risotto, risotto is the best things in this main ingredients. So delicious white wine, lovely dried delicious white wine, rice cover from the white wine. I love more white wine, and slowly cook in medium heat until all the rice should be sucked by rice. Because you need some texture to make a ball, little bit of sticky texture, just like that. So now I'm going to use some vegetable stock. Also, just cover the rice from the stock and continue in medium heat. You need a really sticky texture in your rice. So be careful when you cook the rice, not overcooked, not less. You should be perfect al dente. So this is perfect time. I want to show you the texture. This should be in your rice. So set in the side to make a cold. Now we are moving to next step. So next, take some prawns, peel prawns, and blend it with lemon zest, pepper, salt, and little bit of chilli. After you blend it, keep it on the side. Absolutely, that's fantastic. So take the rice, cold rice, season with salt, pepper a little bit, not much. Once you mix it, you need some eggs. After egg is finished, need some flour and fresh breadcrumbs. So little bit of cheese, Parmesan cheese and mozzarella. Now I'm going to make the balls. Very thin layer. Put the cheese, a little bit of Parmesan, and that prawn, mince prawns in the middle. So roll it nicely. And again with same way. Make it ball like that. Now, first in the flour, after flour, you put in the eggs. The eggs should be everywhere, and into breadcrumbs. So keep all the shame away. That fresh breadcrumb is more make the balls is really crispy and looks amazing. Absolutely, this is perfect. Now we're going to make some ragu sauce for the rice balls. Onion, garlic, olive oil, the rest prawns mince, some chilli, saute a little bit, white wine, and then you put tomato sauce. After cook few minutes, your ragu is ready. I mean, your sauce is ready for the rice balls. Just take it out. So the last part is we're going to fry in the vegetable oils pretty slowly and medium heat. Oil must be just medium heat. Make it golden crispy. And the things is first, the prawns must be cooked and the cheese must be melted inside the rice ball. Just like this. When it's come out, that means cheese is melted. So take it out, keep it in the paper. This is so crispy. Then finish with garnelen ragu, prawns ragu. Look at that, the